Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are going straight back to this video, and today we are doing a deep hydrating hair mask. And no, the better way to start this hydrating hair mask is to use aloe vera gel. For this hair mask, I will only be using one whole aloe vera leaf, and I will extract the gel and put it in a cup of my blender. The reason I decided to use aloe vera gel is because aloe vera is made of 99% of water, which provides deep hydration to fight any dryness on our hair or scalp. So I'm trying to do a deep hydration. That word is hard. A deep hydration hair mask. So aloe vera gel is the way to go to for this first ingredient. After extracting all the aloe vera gel, my next ingredient will be avocados. For today's purpose, I will be using 2 whole avocado because I'm doing this to use on my daughter's hair, who has really a lot of hair. So it depends on how much hair you have, but for me, I have to use 2 whole avocado. The reason I decided to use avocado for this deep hydrating hair mask is because avocado contains potassium and magnesium, which help lock in the moisture. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing the like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. My next ingredient for this deep hydrating hair mask is coconut oil. Coconut oil contains fatty acids which help moisturizing our hair. For today's purpose, I use about 2 to 3 tablespoons. My next ingredient will be olive oil. Olive oil can help protect our hair from dryness and split ends. Now that I have all my ingredients together, I'm going to blend it all together for a few minutes and then transfer this into a bowl or a container. You have to be really careful when using avocado to make a hair mask because there could be small pieces of avocado in the mix, but this time it didn't happen because of the aloe vera gel, which is 99% water. So as you can see, there's no small pieces of avocado, and so my hair mask is ready to be used. Okay, now we are ready to put this on my daughter's hair. Her hair is really dry right now. Her hair has been out for a few days now, and now it's time to hydrate her hair. She has 4C hair. So what I'm going to be doing is just apply this on her hair, and I'm going to start with the ends because the ends are like the more sensitive part of the hair, the more weakest part of the hair. So I'm going to start by putting on the ends and then start putting all over her hair. I'm not really focusing on putting this on her scalp, which although I will do it at the end, but I just want to make sure that her hair or general have this hair mask because I don't know if I made enough for her whole head. Just in case I didn't, I just want to make sure that at least her ends and her hair has it, and if I have extra left, I will put it all over her scalp too. Let me know in the comment below if you make your own pre-poo or hair mask, and how do you make sure to make enough, because I always make just enough or not enough because I don't like to make too much and I have to throw it away. Let me know, how do you measure to make sure that you have enough.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm here 'cause I love you. Hold you for life. wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, every single moment. Hold you for life. So tight, coming
After putting this all over her hair, I'm going to let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so, making sure that all this good ingredient from this hair mask go all the way deep into her hair. Then I will continue with our regular wash day routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video. And why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye. Have a good day.
hold you for life.